Jada Kingdom shares her personal diary. Also, she give us a peep into her songbook. When you remember the song we put Jada on the map? Watch this.
No, sir. What songwriter? Start 017. No, girl. Love situation. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. This was when I wrote Love Situations. Oh, shit. Wow.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Now, if you're a premium and you say Dancehall IG make a lot of videos about Jada Kingdom, you're right? But she keep on a give me reason. Every time she a give me a reason for make a video about her. You know what I mean? You just never know where you're going to get with Jada. So, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, Jada gave us a journey into her diary, right? So, she wrote this when she was just a teenager. Or she was writing a diary while she was a teenager. You know what I mean? When she younger. So, it get real personal. She end up crying at the end. So I'm going to show you some of the things that she write in her diary. Now, if you had a dream in life, all of us wanted to be something, right? And maybe we grew up and we never get to be where we want to be. But Jada didn't know where she wanted to be. And she wrote it in her diary that she wanted to be an artist or singer, she said, right? And it came to pass. So let us take a little journey into Jada's diary. Here goes.
No, this is my diary. This is my diary I did. Yo, watch ya. My dreams. I've always wanted to be a singer. It is my destiny. Oh gosh. Hey, and I want thing about me, you know. Me, I go write down the date. What you do? And I just the date, you know, look one time up there so do. Nah. Oh gosh. Let me go ball. This is crazy. I need to see the first page of that diary. So this is the first page, right? So it's our time and this is the date. Dear Twinkle She. Dear diary. Sleepy. Okay, so I got this diary today. And I love it. I'll never let anything happen to it ever. No, sir. I love my life and some things in it, but God maybe put them in my life for a reason. But I hope I get my career that I want in life. Wow.
People can really hear the emotion in her voice because she reminisce on these times when she used to write this thing and imagine that it really came to pass. Like right now she have a career and all that she envisioned when she was just a teenager. So this I tell me, say, you know what I mean? I'm inspired right now. You know what I mean? Even if I still want something in her life, I can go for it because Twinkle see it from she a teenager and say she want a career. And now she have a career. And so far, we can't give her no bad name. She a maintain her career and she a put in the work. You see what I say? So she asked for it. She deserve it. She earned it. Let's say she earned it because I can't say she asked for it because nobody give her to her. She earned it. Right? But we are go back in the diary and we are going to hear some more things what Twinkle have to say about her family, her mother more specifically and so. So let's go.
Where people don't need to sit down when you do. Catch a date. So I said, dear diary, work, a topic of work, you know. My mom got up and told me to tackle the kitchen, so I'm in a hurry. When I'm finished, I'll let you know. She always bother us. My mother says, kick me down. But then I come back to the diary now, see time there. I'm going to say, okay, so I'm finished with work. And I wash my clothes and uniform, but I'm not sure if school is keeping, so I'll see. No, Twinkle. Well, on the door, so that one here title Good Friends. I'm going to pick up some friends over, so but some of them name Mark out, because me and them did end up with X or something. But don't you so me I big up my best friend of all time at the time, Shani White. So Shani White, anyway, they big up herself. But she is the most kindest and caring person you could ever have. even though we get mad at each other, I still love her because that's what best friends do. Love always. Jada, no, sir. You think she know? At 1:53 p.m. though, in them hours, yeah, you know, their diary shower time. I'll know me not eat, but dinner so done. Really? No. In them hours, yeah, me and my mother, watch what I done. But dinner so done. And when I'm finished taking a shower, I'll go to my grandmom's house for some of her dinner. No, mommy never cook that night, though. Remember.
People Twinkle write everything in her diary. She even have one part where she writes a light gone. I don't know how she write in that darkness or she write it one time. I don't know a lamp light or something, but that was amazing. It showed the level of dedication with Twinkle have to that diary, right? And see it now, years later, she can go back through and reminisce and know exactly the moment and the things that she went through. Why she have to express herself to her diary. Or in our diary, rather, right? So she had talked about some more things now. We find out, say, she's a big Nicki Minaj fan through her diary. So let she tell you what she wrote in her diary. Here goes again.
No, for una don't know, but was a Nicki Minaj fan girl. And still is, but nobody don't know, cause you don't know what ton, you don't know what ton star, no. You understand? But look at the look for the date, 012. Their diary, Nicki Minaj. Look, your page pretty up. Nicki is my idol. I love her, and one day I wish I could meet her and sing a song with her. She's the best raptress ever, and I want to be just like her because I sound like her, shape like her, and act like her. I want to be her. Whoa, it's Pink Friday. YMCMB.
So what she said, she wrote that around 2012 when you know say Nicki Minaj at the peak her career in at them time there, right? She did well hot on the ground. So I think a lot of females and males too were fans of Nicki back in them time there. So I can't understand why Twinkle wrote that. Now, in the next episode now, you know, Twinkle writes some other things about people that talk about her in the community. So I know say a lot of the young ladies them out there must have similar stories like these, and you know what I mean, you must keep a diary too and them thing there. I don't know personally, but I just imagine say I saw it go amongst the younger, you know what I mean, female them when them a grow up, them a go keep a diary, and even maybe into your adulthood too, I don't know. But what I do know though, this is common, and a lot of female bear bad name and people say them all breed, and Twinkle was no different. So let's hear what they say about Twinkle. Here goes.
When I used to come in for every man name in the community, seek me for them, I said, dear diary, the topic is chat not going away. And then I said, them, what? Them ever chat say, me I go pregnant. I saw my chat bad though? No. Them ever chat say, me I go pregnant and a beer man me look. But any shit where say so, them I go shock when them hear my voice. And me no want none of them happy for me. Them feel look alive. All them do a chat. And me know who me attack. And them know themselves. So I'm write this for my mother. So I say, my mother is the worst punisher ever. I don't know how somebody could take away your clothes and call that punishment. So my mother used to, you say, we get trouble, my mother used to just strip her naked, up her ass, and hide the whole I would close them, so we're naked in the house and can't come out. Yo, wait. I say, we could come out of the house. But say, I used to talk about what kind of punishment that.
Yeah, people, so it come down to one part where it looked like she had got through some dark times, you know what I mean? And she wrote about an imaginary friend. She said when she read it back, it make her really sad. So as such, she end up crying. However, though she mute out the video because she never want to hear she a cry, but she write it on the screen and say she have to mute it because she end up a cry, right? But I hope this can serve as an inspiration to some of the younger audience, for, you know what I mean, some of Jada younger fans, that you can really be what you want to be, you know? So I just want to leave it there, so people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. So everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.